Yes, start. In paragraph 3 of the affidavit filed by respondent number 2, they have started about the helpline number 1031 along with other helplines operating through the office of DGHS within bracket headquarter, that is 2230012, 2230036, 223024441, 22391014 and 2230458. Stop. For ready reference, paragraphs 3 and 4 of the affidavit filed by the respondent number 2 reads as under: helpline can be provided for the grievance to be ventilated by the nurses and other healthcare workers. It will render great assistance at this time. Stop. The nature of the grievances which they might have bracket start, that is regarding non-availability of PPE kits at their places of work bracket close, would be quite different from the grievances which may be ventilated by the general public and requires a different response. Stop. The respondent number 2 is directed to consider this aspect in the light of these observations and take appropriate action. Para. So far as appointment of nodal officers is concerned, Directorate General of Health Sciences within bracket DGHS shall appoint such nodal officer to deal with the complaints of the health workers received by DGHS. Stop. The names and contact numbers of such nodal officers must be circulated to all healthcare facilities with the direction that the healthcare workers deployed in the facility be suitably informed. Stop. The information should also be duly publicized on the official website of GNCTD and or DGHS so that the availability of such redressal mechanism is known to the affected persons. Para. With regard to provision of masks, PPE kits, etc. to healthcare workers in private facilities, it was also suggested that undertakings be called for from the nursing homes and hospitals in this regard. Stop. Looking to amendments in the affidavit filed by respondent number 2, it appears that an office order dated 14th July 2020 has already been issued by the respondent number 2, which is annexed as Annexure A to the counter affidavit filed by respondent number 2. Stop. Paragraph 6 of the said affidavit states as follows. Stop. As regards the third suggestion that all registered hospitals in Delhi, irrespective of whether it a designated COVID facility or not, should file an undertaking to the effect that necessary PPE kits, N95 masks and other protective equipment is being made available to their staff, including nurses, paramedic and housekeeping staff. I say that wide office order dated 14/7/2020 bearing F number 295 issued by DGHS has implemented the said suggestion and directed all registered hospitals, both government and private, to file requisite undertaking in this regard to medical superintendent bracket start nursing homes bracket close in Directorate of Health Services DGHS within a period of 7 days. Stop. A copy of the said office order dated 14/7/2020 has been annexed herewith as Annexure A. Stop. I say that the concerned branch of the answering respondent shall be monitoring the issue of provision of PPE equipment to all registered hospitals staff, and necessary action shall be taken in case of breach. Stop. Para. In the said office order dated 14th July 2020, it has been directed that necessary PPE kits and N95 masks be made available to all the government and private nursing homes, doctors, nurses, paramedical staff, housekeeping staff, irrespective of whether they are working in a COVID hospital or not, and in a COVID ward or normal ward, so as to ensure their safety and security. Stop. An undertaking has also been called for from the establishments concerned. Stop. This would also ensure accountability for compliance with the safeguards mandated by the respondents and enable the respondent authorities to affix responsibility for the same if so required. Para. Coming to the next aspect of the matter, it appears looking to paragraph 5 of the affidavit filed by respondent number 2, there is a provision for ex gratia payment in the event of the unfortunate demise of any nurse or other healthcare professional who is deployed for COVID duties. Stop. Over.